I just received in the post my eBay special Barkbusters, so let's go fit them. These guards I got from eBay last week for a whopping £15, and trying to make them look like a slightly higher spec with the power of a bit of editing and a white pen, I took them to this, which makes a huge difference aesthetically. I mean, it offers no function. So what you'll need to fit these is a H4 T-bar or Allen key, M6 screw, some thread lock if you don't want it to come out, and the Barkbuster itself. I got the bolt and the thread lock from my local hardware store for about £1. Very straightforward. So you take off the old end cap, put a little bit of thread lock on the new bolt, which will be a bit longer, and screw it in. I didn't have the extra mounting hardware for it, but it seems to be holding. I've just done a little road trip down to the New Forest and it's working a charm. I can already tell that the wind deflection does help, but I will eventually get some proper Barkbusters, but these certainly do the job in the meantime. Aesthetically, I think they work great, and practically they do actually help, and there's plenty of room for your hand when you're gripping for the levers. So, just a quick one today, but thank you very much for watching.